Israelites, the timeline to when certain prophecies should occur is important. If the people do not know the order, they will accept anything that appeared to imitate what the scripture said about the prophecy. For example, the mark of the beast. We are living in a time, if you don't take the jab, you cannot enter certain places. Israelites, before we get to the mark of the beast, the great tribulation, the false prophet, the 1,000-year reign, and the other prophecies, the two witnesses must come forward. It is extremely important to not look to great miracles, but look for the subtle signs the Most High gave you to know what time we are living in. We cannot have the mark of the beast without the two witnesses. After the two witnesses complete their assignment on earth, the other events will come at the appointed time.